Hello, good morning. Well, it's morning here. Super early. I don't even know why I'm up. So anyway, I was kind of looking at uh, my deck collection videos, which I think I've probably seen every single one that YouTube has to offer, and I don't know why, because it doesn't help me in any way. Um, but I've seen it before. It's the Winter Waite edition. And so I was like, I should actually look that up because that'd be kind of cool. I've been looking into more seasonal decks because they're kind of fun. So I went on to Tarot Collectibles, I think is the website. And they had an Easter special, I think. So you get 2 decks for, I don't know, I think it was like $70 or something like that. But, so I was kind of looking on there and I'm like, oh, I might as well spend more money. But anyway, so I got that and then one more, and I think they ship out on Wednesdays. I think this shipped out the 24th. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I might as well open it right now because we're gonna take my address off. Make sure I don't cut anything. A little worried about how thin this paper was, but feels like there's a lot of bubble wrap. Oh wow. And these did come in boxes. I don't know that I kept reading in different places that they don't come in boxes unless you ask for boxes. So that's awesome. Okay, I'm going to push this down so I can sit down. Okay, wow. So what do they send you here? Because I didn't ask for anything extra. Oh, cool. Sorry if my nails are really gross. I swear, it's paint. I was painting yesterday. So that's a sticker. Little rough, but that's okay because I didn't ask for any stickers. There's a copy of my address for some reason. Let's see. So just this little handwritten thank you note. That's really nice. And then a bookmark. That's cool. And then what's this? Oh, just the decks that they have and their social media, which I'll probably just link below. All right, so I got the Winter Waite and the Trippin Waite. Super cool. And I think that for their sale, they only had, it wasn't all of their decks. It was a select few. I don't want to ruin the tuck box. Tuck box dilemma. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So I was trying to find more reviews on the borderless because this was the only one they offered in the deal, which is fine because, I don't know, I kind of like the borders. They have an expansion pack for this too. And what kind of sucks about that is that I don't want to get the expansion pack unless I were borderless. Yeah, I'll kind of go through these. I'm sure you've seen these a bunch of times. I don't know. There were quite a few reviews. But none of the borderless. Unless I missed it. I probably missed it. My searching capabilities aren't the greatest. So this is the Trippin Waite. They have the Groovy Waite, and they're fairly similar, but I don't know. I was more drawn to the Trippin Waite. So right away they have decent amount of diversity. The colors. Wow. This cardstock feels pretty nice. So I got this yesterday and waited till this morning. It's probably why I got up so early to open these. And they smell like, they have a good new card smell. I love that. These are really cool. Hopefully there's not a glare. I was trying to fix the glare on my light. I pretty much taped a paper towel to it because Google said if it's an LED light, it won't start on fire. So should be fine. Oh, I like that. These are so cool. Make love, not war. Some of them have the white on the bottom, and then some of them are just full color, which is interesting. Oh, that's cool. Sorry if I sound hoarse this morning. Like I said, it is morning. Hopefully you can see these. I'm just kind of being selfish and looking. Oh, there's some records down there. That's pretty cool. There you go. Just add some pink, you know, it's all right. Yeah, the cardstock is really nice. Very glossy. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, the Trippin Waite just kind of looked more up my alley, although I may stumble upon that website again. Oh, I love that. I'll have to go back and look at the expansion pack. I don't know. Some of those, we'll see. Maybe some of those were included. I can't remember, but so that's the Trippin Waite. That's really cool. I like that a lot. I think I've seen this before, or I've seen the Groovy Waite, and I don't know, not to insult anybody, but the 60s, as far as time periods go, just isn't my thing, but I don't know. And then the Winter Waite, which is kind of the reason I even stumbled upon that site. Oh, that one opened a lot better. I just thought this was super cute. And this is the revised edition. That's interesting. The chariot was in the back. Let me see here. Yeah, so I was looking at some Halloween decks, and I'm like, oh, I wonder if there's anything for Christmas. And then I saw, I've seen this a long time ago in someone else's deck collection, and and then forgot about it, and then kind of came back. This is really cool. I mean, I suppose it is a little gimmicky, but, you know, I'm in the Midwest, so look at that. So we do get full on snow. It was actually, I think, let's see, it was April. In April, we had 8 inches of snow. Late April. Oh, that's hilarious. It's got the naughty and nice list. This is awesome. Oh, little kids. I think I just lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Happy New Year. Yeah, I really like these themed Rider-Waite style decks. I think they had a black light deck on Indigogo, which, you know, after spending some money on these, I just I've gotten pretty crazy this last couple months on deck buying. So I did not go and back that or anything. The black light just wasn't calling me at the time. Oh, so is the Chariot not in there? Oh, hey. That's interesting. So you got an alternative Chariot card. Interesting. I like this one. That one's cute though too. Very interesting. I guess I didn't see that on the website. There's this Halloween deck I really want. It's kind of pricey too on Etsy, but it's just so cute. And yeah. I don't know. I shouldn't be concentrating on Christmas and Halloween. It's such a ways away. Yeah, it's really interesting that, well, I guess those are the court cards. Never mind. I was going to say that, you know, this doesn't have the little border on the bottom. So I think there's a complete borderless version of this, a bordered version, and then this is the revised. Yeah, the revised edition, if you can see that. I have no idea. I haven't been paying attention to the so oh yeah, and I wonder, is that supposed to be like a alternative 3? Not for this one. These are so cute. This cardstock is really nice. Oh, the backs are so cute. I thought that was more green and red. It's more of like a pinkish color. That's all right. Yeah, still kind of looks like that plaid, like pajamas. Yeah, these are really nice. Oh, how exciting. So there's the pentacles. Okay. So maybe, yeah, that's an alternative 3 of pentacles. I really like this one. She kind of looks a little sad though. I don't know what she's sad about. That one's kind of cool too. I don't know. That's really neat. And I think I prefer the, that's so funny. Wow, I don't know. Without the numbers, I'm so lost. There we go. I really like that. I really like that one. So that's the Winter Waite, and I guess you get extra cards. I don't think I saw extra cards in the other one that I know of. So glad they came with boxes. Oh, even though they're tuck boxes. Whale. This is my biggest thing with tuck boxes. This cardstock feels pretty nice. I'll probably take it right back out. So, yeah, the revised edition. That is super cool. I don't know if this sale, I bet is that from the Groovy Waite or Trippin Waite? I don't know. I don't know if this sale is still going on. But if it is, I mean, I guess these are about 50 bucks a piece. So for like $70, and then they kind of throw in a couple stickers, and you can buy stickers with it. And I love bookmarks. And the handwritten note, that's super nice. That's one thing I like about some of these companies is they're very, you know, the appreciation for getting their things. And then these are, so there's the Trippin Waite, and they've got an Oracle. They had, oh, their Halloween ones, Elvira. They have one with Elvira in it. I'll probably be looking more into that closer to Halloween. They have a Winter Lenormand too. I just got a Lenormand the other day. Yeah, so they've got the Deadweight, Twisted Tarot Tales, which I think that's one that has Elvira in it. I'm not sure. The Spooky Cats Tarot. They had another deal, I think, that included those. I can't remember. So yeah, I would check them out. I've seen, like, this one I've seen before, and kind of this one. And I've never really been to their website. It's pretty cool. And they ship out every Wednesday. I don't know if that's going to change with the virus and everything. Oh my gosh, it's a little bag. But, so yeah, what is today? I don't even know. The 6th? Or the 5th? The 6th. Oh yeah, because yesterday was Cinco de Mayo. So, yeah, so I got it the 5th of May, and it shipped out the 24th, and I'm in the Midwest, USA. So that's not too bad. I wasn't even expecting it. Now, the package says it had tracking, but I couldn't find on my email where I could track it, which was horrible, because I like to sit and refresh my my shipping tracking when I order something, which is probably unhealthy. But anyway, those are those. Super excited. I'll probably go back on their site and look at the Halloween ones now. So yeah, so those, and I'll have everything linked down below if you want to check them out. So take care, stay safe, and thanks for watching.